Here we are in Broken Hill, some 3 hours north of Mildura. It's in New South Wales, however we're on South Australian time for some reason, don't know why. Adelaide's the closest city, so maybe that's the reason. It's about 500 k's to Adelaide. So predominantly known for its mining, and the silver's probably the main thing that they mine here. Now, some 30 years ago, there was up to 7,000 workers working in the mines. Today, that's probably dropped to under 1,000. So that gives you an idea as to how things have changed over the years here, and property prices definitely reflect that. Average median price probably around about 150,000. However, if you're wanting cash flow, this is a place to get it. You're probably going to get an 8 to 10% gross yield. 150k property might rent for maybe $300 a week or close enough too. So I don't think property or the growth is going to happen anytime soon because the population is diminishing. There's about 18,000 people in Broken Hill as we see it today, but it's gradually declining, unfortunately. So yeah, beautiful spot though. Friendly people. Really surprised to be out here, just how much commercial activity is going on. Even though the population is diminishing, but really friendly people. I would trust that if you haven't been here, it's definitely one to put on your list, that's for sure. We're going to head to Bourke. It's going to take about 6 or 7 hours, so really looking forward to that drive. Might even get to the back of Bourke. So here we have it, Broken Hill. Next stop is Bourke.